Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you all how we can actually add comments on our Microsoft Excel workbook. So to do this, we need to come over here to the Review tab on our ribbon. And then from here, we have the different options such as showing comments, or we can go ahead and add a new comment. So let's go ahead and show our comments first. And you can see right now we have no comments on our file, but we can go ahead and apply our first comment. So let's say we want to go ahead and change we know we want to come back to this and find a new name to name this column over here. Right now it's called bills, but maybe we're trying to think of something else. So let's go ahead and have it highlighted. And now let's go ahead and select new comment, or we can select new here from the sidebar. Well, go ahead and select new comment. Now we can decide we want to mention someone. So you can mention someone in your organization and it will almost assign that comment to them so they know they need to come back to it. But maybe in our case, we're just leaving a comment for ourselves. So let's say research an alternate name for this column. And then once we're done with that, we can either hit this little button here, or we can do Control Enter. Okay, so you can see it says research an alternate name for this column. You can also see the cell is being referenced here as well. So right here, you can see it. And also if I was to highlight the cell, so let me actually get rid of this. Oops. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Okay, there we go. So let's close this and see, even though that I don't have the comments showing up here on the sidebar, we do have this little indicator in the top right showing that there is a comment. So if I was to hover on the cell, you can see that the comment is showing up. Now, if I want to go ahead and make changes to this comment, or I want to add an additional comment, I can go ahead and resolve the thread. I can delete the thread. I can edit it as well. But this is helpful, especially if you're collaborating with people. If you have a lot of different people working in your workbook, it's helpful to leave comments because you may not be collaborating on it in real time. So you leaving comments is a great way to leave almost like a breadcrumb trail, what you're looking for, the other people that you're collaborating with, what you want them to be able to do.